Hello friends, welcome you all in my YouTube channel. Dr. D.M. Sirsat here from Department of Chemistry, Anandibai Ravrani Arts, Commerce and Science College, Vaibhavadi. Friends, it is a second lecture of heterocyclic chemistry. In first lecture of heterocyclic chemistry, we have studied the details about pyridine N oxide molecule. Means preparation of pyridine N oxide as well as different reactions of pyridine N oxide. But in this second lecture of heterocyclic chemistry, we are going to study the quinoline molecule, means details about quinoline molecule, preparation of quinoline molecule, and number second is the reactions of different reactions of quinoline molecule. Let's see one by one. Number first is the introduction of quinoline molecule. Quinoline is a heterocyclic aromatic organic compound with the chemical formula C9H7N. The quinoline is a heterocyclic compound. What is meant by heterocyclic compound? The cyclic compound in which at least one carbon is replaced by heteroatom, either nitrogen, oxygen or sulfur, is called as heterocyclic compound. See the structure of quinoline in which the heteroatom is a nitrogen. Also this quinoline molecule, it shows aromatic character. See, it is formed by fusion of two rings such as benzene and pyridine at alpha beta position. Means simple, the formation of this quinoline molecule. See the two different parts of this quinoline. The one part is a benzene part and number second is a pyridine part. Means simple, two rings benzene and pyridine is fused together by two common carbon. It gives finally quinoline, and this fusion position is alpha beta position. It gives finally quinoline molecule. It is colorless and hygroscopic liquid with a strong odor. It is a slightly miscible in cold water but miscible readily in hot water and most of the organic solvent. These are the chemical properties, physical and chemical properties of this quinoline molecule. And the application or pharmaceutical application of this quinoline molecule, the quinoline itself has few applications, but many of its derivatives are useful in diverse applications. A prominent example is quinine molecule, which is found naturally in plants as alkaloids. 4-hydroxy-2-alkyl quinolines, means HAQs, are involved in antibiotic resistance. Means quinoline has large applications, heavy applications in pharmaceutical chemistry. Okay. See, next one is a preparation of quinoline molecule. Commercially, quinoline is manufactured by scrap synthesis. It involves the reaction of aniline and glycerol with a mild oxidizing agent like nitrobenzene. See the reaction between aniline and glycerol in a presence of strong dehydrating agent H2SO4 and mild oxidizing agent nitrobenzene, it gives finally quinoline molecule, and this method is called as scrap synthesis. See the mechanism of this scrap synthesis. Number first step, glycerol molecule in presence of dehydrating agent H2SO4, it gives acrolein by loss of 2 moles of water molecule. Acrolein is aldehyde molecule. Protonation of this aldehyde takes place, means this O is converted into OH, and at the same time this adjacent carbon, it gains positive charge. This reactive species reacts with aniline molecule. See the electron pair of this nitrogen attack to this carbon, then shifting of electron pair towards the next position, means neutralization of this positive charge that takes place. It gives finally enol molecule. Loss of electron pair, this nitrogen, it gains positive charge. The next step is enol on ketoenol tautomerization. It gives its keto form, means aldehyde molecule. Protonation of this aldehyde also takes place, means the proton of this NH2 shifted towards this oxygen, then oxygen is converted into OH, and this adjacent position, adjacent carbon, it gains positive charge. Here neutralization of positive charge takes place. See the positive charge of this carbon, means here is a formation of carbocation. At the same time the double bond of this aromatic nucleus benzene attack to this carbon, means there is a cyclization, formation of another 6 membered ring. See 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6, there is a formation of 6 membered ring. Then next step is aromatization. This proton of this tertiary carbon is highly acidic. Loss of this proton, then sigma electron pair is shifted in pi bond formation, means aromatization of this ring is a takes place. Next one, it gives finally this moiety. Next step is a dehydration, means loss of water molecule. This proton from this alpha position and this hydroxy group, it gives H2O molecule, and there is a double bond formation between these two carbon, and oxidation of this molecule in presence of nitrobenzene, it gives finally quinoline. These are the synthesis of quinoline by scrap synthesis method. Next one is the reactions of quinoline molecule. See the number first reaction, electrophilic substitution reaction. Like pyridine, the nitrogen deactivates the pyridine ring of quinoline nucleus towards electrophilic reagent. Therefore, electrophilic substitution reaction gives at benzene side at 5 and 8 position with exception of nitric acid in acetic acid. Okay. Similar to pyridine molecule, in quinoline, this nitrogen heteroatom deactivates this pyridine nucleus of quinoline for electrophilic substitution reaction. Therefore, the electrophilic substitution reactions of quinoline is a takes place at this 2 position, at 5 position and 8 position. See the number first reaction, quinoline in a presence of this nitrating mixture, means concentrated HNO3 and concentrated H2SO4, it gives two products. Number first product is a substitution of this NO2 group, substitution of electrophile NO2 at 5 position, and number second is a substitution of this NO2 at 8 position, means it gives two product. Number first is a 5-nitroquinoline and number second is a 8-nitroquinoline. Out of these two products, this 5-nitroquinoline is a major product and 8-nitroquinoline is a minor product. Number second is exceptional reaction. Basically, quinoline electrophilic substitution reaction of quinoline takes place at 5 and 8 position, but there is one exception. When quinoline is treated with, it reacts with nitric acid, concentrated nitric acid and acetic acid, it gives product substitution at 3rd position as well as 8th position. There is one exception. Number third reaction, when quinoline is reacts with fuming H2SO4, means sulfonation of quinoline is carried out at high temperature, at 180 degrees Celsius temperature, it gives again two products, means electrophilic substitution of the sulfonic acid groups takes place at 5 position as well as 8 position. Again out of these two product, this quinoline 5 sulfonic acid is a major product and quinoline 8 sulfonic acid is a minor product. These are the number first reaction, electrophilic substitution reaction of quinoline molecule. See the number second is a basic character of quinoline molecule. See basically the pyridine is a fusion of these two rings. Benzene and pyridine fuse to each other by common 2 carbon, it gives quinoline molecule. And we know that pyridine molecule, it acts as a strong base because electron pair of this nitrogen, electron pair of the heteroatom nitrogen is not participate in delocalization. Similar in quinoline, this electron pair of nitrogen not participate in delocalization, means it is free to react with any acid molecule, means it shows basic character. See this quinoline molecule in presence of HCl, the electron pair abstract proton, means there is a bond formation between nitrogen and hydrogen, and this positive charge of nitrogen is stabilized by Cl minus. Again this electron pair is attacked to the CH3, means quinoline is reacts with this methyl iodide. Ionization of this methyl iodide is a methyl group delta plus iodine delta minus. Electron pair of this nitrogen attack to this methyl group, means there is a bond formation between nitrogen and methyl group. Loss of electron pair, nitrogen it gains positive charge, is stabilized by I minus, means this due to this electron pair of nitrogen, quinoline molecule also shows basic character. Then number third reaction, nucleophilic substitution reaction. Similar to pyridine molecule, quinoline also gives nucleophilic substitution reaction at 2nd position and 4th position. But out of these two positions, 2nd and 4th position, 2nd position is more preferable than 4th position. See the number first reaction, Chichibabin reaction of quinoline molecule. Quinoline molecule in a presence of NaNH2 and solvent toluene under heating condition, the substitution, nucleophilic substitution is a takes place at second position it gives product 2-amino-quinoline molecule. Number second reaction, when quinoline is treated with KOH molecule, same substitution of this nucleophile OH is takes place at second position, it gives product 2-hydroxyquinoline molecule. And number third reaction, same quinoline is reacts with N-butyl lithium, then polarization of ionization of this N-butyl lithium, same substitution of this butyl N-butyl group is takes place at second position, and it gives product is a 2-N-butyl quinoline molecule. Okay, these are the number second reaction is a number third reaction is a nucleophilic substitution reaction. The number fourth reaction is a reduction. The quinoline can be reduced with Rani-nickel catalyst, gives tetrahydroquinoline and then decahydroquinoline. There is also one more reducing agent for reduction of this quinoline is a sodium metal in ethanol. It reduces quinoline molecule and gives tetrahydroquinoline molecule. See the reaction is quinoline molecule in presence of Rani-nickel means Ni nickel metal with H2 gas, it gives tetrahydroquinoline. It is a further reduction of this tetrahydroquinoline in presence of Rani-nickel catalyst, it gives finally decahydroquinoline molecule. But by using the sodium metal in ethanol solvent, see the quinoline in sodium metal and ethanol, it gives only one product is a tetrahydroquinoline. See, these are the reduction of quinoline molecule. Next one is oxidation of quinoline molecule. Pyridine part is a more stable to oxidizing agents, so the oxidation is a takes place at benzene side. See the quinoline oxidation of quinoline molecule in a presence of strong oxidizing agent KMnO4 potassium permanganate, there is a cleavage of this bond, it gives finally carboxylic acid derivative means quinolinic acid and oxalic acid. These are the oxidation reaction of quinoline molecule. Thank you very much.